Hi, amazing people, and very good morning. I'm come back with a new topic. If you don't value your time, neither will others. Stop giving away your time and talent. Start charging for it. My dear friend, this is talking about the principle of the personal management, which is totally based and initiated with the time management. And for the time management, for each and every, the mission statement should be the organize and execute around priorities. As we know that time is very precious and important for the everyone, and it is a beauty for the everyone that it is distributed by the nature equally to the all of you. Either they are the CEO, yeah, office boy, yeah, peon, yeah, community helpers. It is distributed equally, and it is totally upon us how can we utilize our time very effectively way, so that we can accomplish about the our short term goal, day planning, long term goals, and it is totally depend on also what is your priorities and expectation of the others. My dear friend, the importance of the time management. Uh, just I'm giving the some idea how can we utilize a very effective way of your times. As per the Stephen Covey theory, there is two things important for each and every life: circle of concern and circle of influence. This is the Conway theory, and this theory is applicable in each and every sectors. Either they are in the corporate world, they are the business tycoon, yeah, entrepreneurships, they are the business magnate. Each for everyone, they have to recognize, they have to understand what is the circle of the influence and circle of the concern of their area of their sectors. To understand these two concepts, and they have to apply only their time and energy in circle of influence. Their energy and time must be there only. Then it will be very proactivity, and there it will be very result oriented. If you give more time, more energy and time of the concern, you will feel frustration. You will feel disappointed when you will not get desired result, because circle of concern is it is not in your control, it is not in your hand. But if you give more important what is in your hand, what you can in your control, how can you influence, how can you make difference, that is called the circle of influence. So it's better that we should give the more time, more energy on that particular area only. See, if you talk about the time management, my dear friend, in the we are living in the very highly competitive area, where uh, where we no can predict what will be the future demand, a future life. So for planning for that, we live in the fourth generation of the time management. What is the fourth generation of the time management? For that understanding, we have to understand first that what is the first generation of the time management, second generation of the time management, and third generation of the time management. In the ancient age, where people have no future, no plan, no their more activity, there is no any expectation of their life, but their activity is totally based on the notebook and the checklist. They are unable to recognize their priority in their life, and there is no relation of the time on the list, and his value and purpose of the life. So after that, people are being the advanced. They come in the second generation. They utilize the second generation of the time management. It is little bit different. People start writing. They are following the calendar and appointment and schedule event and activity for the future planning. So this is a little bit advanced from the first generation of the time management. Third generation of the time management, it is actually this is the means people start giving more focus about their future planning, day planning, and know about their future requirement, future expectations, their priority in their life. They giving the importance of the greatest value, greatest worth. So they start efficiently scheduling and control of the time. After that, in the new era, and the fourth generation of time management, it is totally different from the first, second, but it is totally advanced of the third generation of the time management. It is telling about the focus on preserving and relationship, accomplishing accomplishing the result. See, what should be the priority in your life? Either it should be the your day planning, yeah, short term, yeah, long term, yeah, intermediate. So it is totally based on the your priority, your expectation of the others. Then how can you manage your fourth generation of the time management? It is telling. Try to understand about the this concept. This is the one theory about the quadrant time matrix. This is again the theory of the Stephen Covey. Time management matrix is telling about the what is the important and urgent in your life. Any activity which is urgent or not urgent. Any activity which is important or not important. This is basically four things which is telling about the time management, time matrix, management of the time matrix. See, many people are fall of within this matrix. They are in the first quadrant. It is telling about the what is the important, what is the urgent. It is only when there will be any crisis in your personal life, yeah, in the your job profile, yeah, anywhere. Both thing is requirement. It is calling the stress manage. It is calling the crisis, yeah, pressing problem. If you are in the work in the company, if they one will be pressing some things, so this is the urgent and this is the important. And other thing is that quadrant 2, it is telling what is very beneficial for the everyone. And this theory is telling that we should always fall in quadrant 2. What is it important that there is no urgent, but it is important for that is that in this quadrant, people believe in the building the relationship, for finding the new opportunity, long term planning, preventive activity. It means that if there will be failure, a worst thing in your life, how can you prevent? So this is not urgent, but it is important. If your time, if your schedule, if your activity on this activity, I think result will be there. Personal growth and recreations. This is the important, and many people should go fall in the quadrant 2. Quadrant 3 and quadrant 4, it is again telling about the quadrant 3 is telling about the urgent but not important. Many people in the office, they are involving in the other activity, which is means which is focus on the short term, crisis management, feel victimized and out of control, shallow relationship, because they believe that this is the urgent but not important. Urgent, they, but some people in the quantity, according to their opinions, this is also important. And Q4 is telling about the quadrant 4 is telling about the this is not urgent, this is not important. For the frustrated guy who fire from fire from the employee, from their recruitment, and that is they feel like that. So in this time matrix, it is very important to telling that we should always prepare for the future planning, which is important but not urgent. So this is talking about the time management. We should believe in empowering for ourselves, and empowering to our schedule of your future planning, future activity to accomplish short term long term goal in our life. Thank you very much.